Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are deeply honored to have you all with us. The musicians we recognize this weekend represent highly diverse forms of the Muslim musical heritage. Now, I know that in some parts of the world, the words Muslim and music are not often linked together in the public mind, but they should be. The cultural heritage of Islam has long embraced musical language as an elemental expression of human spirituality. Listening to music, practicing music, sharing music, performing music have long been an intimate part of life for Muslim communities across the world, as has been the chanting of devotional and historical or epic texts. I learned at a young age how my own ancestors, the Fatimids, cultivated music in the city of Cairo 1,000 years ago. And I also learned about how the Iberian region, where we are now meeting, the territory known as Al-Andalus, produced new forms of music and poetry in the late medieval period. It was here, in Al-Andalus, that Muslims, Jews, Christians created together an exemplary culture of tolerance, fostering musical creativity that even included new types of musical instruments and pioneering approaches to music education. As the Islamic tradition has reminded us for many centuries, the divine spark that bestows upon us our individuality also bonds individuals in a common human family. In this light, we learn to see our differences in a new way. We can understand that cultural diversity is not a burden or a threat. In fact, it is rather a divine gift, an opportunity to learn and to grow, an opportunity to understand and to appreciate the identity of the other, and thereby one's own essential identity. The technological forces that are reshaping our world now mean that neighbors who live on the other side of the planet are as close to us as our neighbors who live across the street. In such a world, peace and progress require that we promote a pluralist agenda, that we invest in a cosmopolitan ethic. These music awards aim to be an investment in that promotion. Thank you.